it's really suitable to consume under the heat because it's fresh and cold. Really delicious. From Tegenungan Waterfall, don't worry, be sexy! Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I'm greeting you from one of the most popular waterfall located at Tegenungan Village in Gianyar Regency. And you know, this area has changed a lot if I compare a few years ago when I came here, because nowadays this area is well maintained, well organized as well, and even in the parking area you will see a lot of clothes stall, food stall as well. And when you arrive, you will charge 20,000 rupiah for adults. Quite cheap. So before you get in, you will need to change this first at that gazebo. So just go there. Let's go. Hello. Change. Oh, dicap. Ini dibawa aja.
Ya, simpan aja.
Okay.
Kalau kan asuransinya ada.
Oh, oke. Okay. Ada asuransi. Asuransi apa?
Oh, kecelakaan.
Oh iya?
Ya.
Kalau misalkan terjadi kecelakaan, kita dapat apa?
Asuransinya gini, rumah sakitnya gratis.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow. So everyone, this ticket is include insurance as well. So when you get injured along your journey here in Tegenungan, so you will get free like medicines or treatment at the nearest hospitals. So just keep this safe in you. Let's go. So along the road, before you arrive at the waterfall, you will find a lot of like this handicraft, clothes stalls, restaurant, food stalls. Wow. Oh, there is a first photo spot that I get when I enter this place. Let's go there. Oh, it's nice, right? From here, you can see the waterfall clearly there. Wow, this is the first photo spot that you will get after you enter this place. And this photo spot is to welcoming you in Tegenungan Waterfall. Come here. Oh, so beautiful. See the waterfall, and downstairs there is a river club as well. Wow. Let's go. Oh, see, another photo spots as well. Nice, it's unique, right? So everyone, to achieve the waterfalls, we need to go downstairs, but don't worry, because it's equipped with this guardrail. Oh. Ooh. This is another photo spot as well, and from here the waterfalls we can see that clearer, you know. Wow, it's a totally beautiful scenery of Tegenungan Waterfall from here. And you know, I think you will not be bored along your way to achieve the waterfalls, because yeah, they provide a lot of photo spots, and you can also enjoy like ice cream or gelato. And yeah, something like that when you walk along the road. Oh. So everyone, I think the stairs is quite many, so just make sure you are in a good conditions, especially for elderly, for elderly. So just make sure, keep healthy, and don't forget to bring water as well. Oh, oh, it's another unique photo spot, like a bird nest, Just want to sit down for a second. Whew. And this is a river club that I said before. If you wish to go there, they have a private access to achieve the river club. It's cute, right? Let's go, continue. So, well, everyone, I almost there. I almost arrived. Just multiple stairs, and I will get the waterfalls. But if you turn left, you will find Beji. This is a Balinese words, but generally it's kind of a bathing place for people. Balinese call it Beji because I want to go to the waterfalls, so I will go to the strand. Go to the right side. So keep your spirit up. Let's go. The Beji. It's basically like a swimming pool. The place for bathing. Oh, it's clean and very interesting. So everyone, I'm just arrived at the riverside, and since I want to go there to achieve the river, so we need to go a little bit walk to that line, so just let's go there. Just go to this side first. Too many people there. Be careful. Wow. So everyone, that's a very beautiful scenery from here. I just enjoy this view, really close with the waterfalls. Speechless. But I think the waterfall is not really high, it's only 15 meters. But when you get closer to the waterfall, you will see the rope surrounded the waterfalls. So actually the visitors or we cannot pass the rope. But of course we can take photos right there. See, like a lot of people queuing to take photos there, and you also can like chill for a moment on the big rocks around this area. Oh, there's changing room right there. wanna try, wanna feel the water. Oh, it's quite cool and fresh. So everyone, I guess we can swim actually here. So we can get in the water. We can play the water as well. But you know, see, the water is quite dirty today because it's rainy a few days. So yeah, just keep swimming for today. Maybe I will try later. But you know, generally this river is quite clean originally because of this rainy season for few days. So yeah, it's quite dirty, but it's okay. So everyone, I think that's all. I enjoy this beautiful scenery, Tegenungan Waterfall. Just wow once again. And now I would like to find a culinary nearby. So from Tegenungan Waterfall, don't worry, be sexy. Just arrive upstairs. Wanna try this jagung bakar. Mau dong order 2. Oh, yang satu pedas manis, yang satu manis saja. Berapa satu ini?
10.000.
Oh, 10,000 rupiah. It's a quite big core, right? Kenapa?
Bisa lihat-lihat di atas.
Oh, di atas. Oke.
Renangnya.
Oh, ada kolam juga. Oke. Sejak kapan nih di sini, Mbak? Sejak kapan buka restonya? Baru 3 bulan? Atau karena pandemi atau apa?
Iya kan?
Tapi sebelumnya udah buka?
Di atas.
Di atas kan juga ada Dewa Rama namanya.
Oh. Tapi sebelum pandemi memang sudah buka ini?
Baru renovasi.
Baru renovasi. Jadi baru buka setelah pandemi baru 3 bulan.
Ya.
Rame tapi? Rame. Setiap hari rame ya? Sekarang ya?
Ada aja.
Ini yang apa? Yang garlic butter. Thank you. I wanna stay upstairs maybe ya. Sambil lihat-lihat. So, 2 big corn. Wow, quite big. Just stay there upstairs maybe so we can see like the whole scenery. Here, let's go. Saya di atas ya?
Iya, silakan.
Okay. Upstairs? Upstairs? Well everyone, I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day here in one of the restaurants around Tegenungan Waterfall. They provide this such a tiny cute pool as well. I want to enjoy this roasted corn. Oh, and basic coconut water. So everyone, if we talk about corn, this kind of food can process to become multiple dishes. Like we can roast it, bake, boil as well, and it also can be processed to become Indonesian traditional food. Have you ever heard about perkedel? Yeah, that's a corn fritters. That's really delicious. And besides, I also accompanied by this one young coconut drink. It's really suitable to consume under the heat because it's fresh and cold. Really delicious. And you know, there's also the coconut meat inside and we can consume it also. Really delicious, soft, slightly chewy as well. it's a healthy drink, you know. Typically a tropical fruit that you will find in a tropical area like Indonesia, Bali, of course. Like when you go somewhere in Bali, this is like a basic menu that every warung restaurant would provide. So everyone, that's my journey here in the Tegenungan Waterfalls, and I believe that this place can become one of your tourism destination when you visit Bali. It's open from 6:30 a.m. until 6:30 p.m. You are free to come anytime without fear of heat because the weather here is really nice, cool and fresh. And especially if you swim, I believe that your journey will become perfect. So that's all for today. See you on the next video.